A mother of 3 has gone missing from Riwiang village since September 16 and has allegedly been abducted by a non-tribal employee of the Ferrero Alloy factory Nongstoin, West Khasi Hills. The woman, identified as Idalin Kardosau, aged 26, is said to be a tea stall employee near the factory. The alleged person accused of abducting the woman is identified as Mirdil Boro. The Dorbash Nong Riwiang, along with the Hinyotrap Youth Council HYC West Khasi Hills, took decisive action on Friday by shutting down the factory until the woman is recovered. The factory management, while speaking to reporters, stated that they will work in full cooperation with the Dorbash Nong to find the missing woman. The Dorbash Nong and leaders of the HYC have declared that until the woman is safely recovered and the accused is brought to justice, the factory will not be permitted to resume its operation.
It's been happened. Then we immediately cooperating with the villagers, and also police came here, and they have made a joint discussion with the local village and police and company. And immediately next day, with police, we went to Boko, his residence, and his residence is under the Soigaon police station. Then the Nongstoin police and border police thana, it is a Manakata police thana, and Soigaon police thana, all the 3 thanas people along with me went to the boy's house. And he has wife, 2 children, his mother and father. Police interrogated a lot of questions to them and tried to sketch where is the boy. But the family members, the headman of the village and the other villagers, nobody knew where was the boy. And till today, they do not know where is the boy, because his mother called me and asked me whether we have got any information or not. Secondly, we have no alternative. We do not know where he is, whether he is in Assam, whether he is in Meghalaya or any other state. There is no traceable, because he has 2 mobile phones, all are switched off. So we do not know. We are cooperating with the village. In spite of that, villagers came and locked our office and locked our store. Then what we can do? We can take the help of police. We inform the police district administration. It is bound that something unrest going on for the sake of the property and for the sake of the life of the people here. So we have informed the local administration, and they sent the patrolling party, and patrolling party came and unlocked the office. But store is still locked. And today's development that they came today, they locked this thing and forcefully they shut down our industry. So we are helpless, because we are working here for the industry. If a driver did some misdeed and take a woman, she is also married lady from the local village. So it is a joint effort. We are giving our full effort. Meghalaya, where we can give the effort, but local people give the more effort to do this thing. But instead of that, we have been given the so pressurized that we have to bring the boy. But is it possible for us, or like people like us who are working in this area, to go out and bring the boy? Because he is untraceable. We have no information at all. And police has not also got any information. His family has not got any information. So he knows, the boy knows Khasi, the boy knows Assamese, though he is a Boro boy, he is also tribal from Assam. He knows Khasi, and he has a very strong relationship with the village. It is not one day effort. It is not a one-day matter. He has a long-term association and long-term relationship with the villagers. So villagers know him very well than us, because he is our driver. We do not have, he is doing his duty, we are the administrator. That is our relationship. In spite of that, he did this thing without our knowledge. But villagers know, local people knows it very well, Because he knows Khasi, he has a good relationship, strong relationship with all the villagers than us. Because we do not know the local language.
Minsa Riwiang. Rai aku kali apa dah long lah bala dan bor ni pergi orang bala don ni bah personal ni bawan nama bawan lagi peng tu salah bala lagi di bor dek mana tu kata
dia atau kasnong ke kang syai kata ka office dengki menin
sini
dia mentah mendapat bala Riwiang
tikeng pelim menin jenmet
dah dia jengkep ni
kan
di kelamong ni
yang ni dia terlang ni lagi buat lang menin pada tempat bah don dia Riwiang senang bila lagi nanti kepilek lagi lami nane tu selamat polis
kat kum kajing sutu jong pi lau kat kum kajing yo jong tep jong pi
dia kata teng nak betul pi nama dia cak lang harga juga sini deh tapi rumyo teng don ni suspect kita
nak kat nus nem mula don tu brih me kat kum jing kajing
Laisnan latam
kata ka beri buat ke baja kalau kami ni ke kena ni ka
long kami
don kun keti
lain itu
don keparo
pardon
te atau kamde ka don kajing ade si samla jengki kamde minta trai
nanti dia kata
Naru mesti saja kalau jak kau gelong ni yang ni. Hadirin bagi lakli bah yang bau weru nak neka factory yang ni nok tray yang neka Fero Alloy yang Riwiang ujak lah hentak por. Nak liang jungi lawan ban keli nak naduk di bayang macam liang kasnong ru nak liang jungi gila jawab bah. Kintip balai gajah balai gajah te lesi bagai dia jengkit nap jungnu baterai hamtam tahu baja nak neka factory. Te nak liang jungi ka seng nilak li ka nak liang ja kasnong ke ka senjam ba kasnong ka sim te nak liang kasnong di ong ba senjam ka bala sim dar ba kasnong galong bakin khang factory hadu bakin dawan rak pat kata ka long kumi jong kasnong hak neka snong hang ni Riwiang te ki ong men sisngi bila wan khang ni factory hendrai menin bila pun changi ki ong ba nak liang ngintip lah kadeka police department lah ni kadeka nak liang jong i try jong factory gila Riwiang ya kata lah ke balakang daka snong te nak liang jong i wan hak ni ko por i wan ban khang ya kadeka factory hang ni la ong ru badewan sange no ban tray bat ngi menta gila shutdown gi machine ru te nak liang jong i ngim dan kanu ke bangin ong hendai ta ka we gelong ba kane ke factory ha bakawan ban tray hang ni kade ban burom ya ki kendon jong snong naduk ka agreement ka balai asoi haka spotrik menai balai arja sukau kala depan yate ba kinu kijing kin ya perkhat lang reka basosi long laraka snong kawan hakini bru jong factory hang de kim kren kim pensai ile bung sinyo gile he ya kata tenak liang jungi kum kasang ni wan hang ni khang na factory tat hadu ba de ban pen phai yang ya taka bru jungi balaja hang ni te khnang ba hadin kata nak liang jungi kasong sa kasong mana perkan bayi ngi suka sana kasong yang jungi kila kelap poi kabru hang ni lagi peliru ekta nak liang jungi nom terkelat bayi mentah logi depan le kata mentah yo jai ni kabru hang ni poi snong manu ban bakli te ada ngilak kli ka factory kala ne man bakli lar ka factory kamla ban bakli de sange shwa ban trai tat hadu bangin dayu i yang tan kui kan thai snong